Hello, and welcome to this Elementor tutorial by Divi Booster. Today, we'll look at how to hide the default header and footer in the Hello Elementor theme. This is a great way to create a streamlined, distraction-free design, perfect for landing pages, full-width layouts, or custom designs using a page builder. We'll guide you through a simple process to completely disable the built-in theme header and footer, giving you greater control over your website's appearance. Let's get started. To hide the header and footer in the Hello Elementor theme, you can use the built-in settings available right in the WordPress admin area. This method is simple, effective, and doesn't require any coding. By adjusting these settings, you can quickly remove the default header and footer, giving you more flexibility to customize your site's layout exactly how you want it. Let's walk through this straightforward process. Before we dive into making any changes, it's a good idea to take a quick look at your home page. Here, you'll see the default Hello Elementor header at the top, typically displaying your site title, and the footer at the bottom, which might include text like "All rights reserved." This step is important because it helps you understand what the default header and footer look like before we remove them. To begin removing the header and footer from your Hello Elementor theme, start by accessing the theme settings. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand sidebar, locate the Hello menu, then click on Settings found just beneath it. This will take you directly to the Hello theme's customization options, where you can make the necessary adjustments. Now that you're on the Hello theme settings page, look towards the top and click on the tab labeled Structure and Layout. This tab is where you'll find specific layout options for customizing your theme. On the Structure and Layout tab, look for the option labeled Disable Theme Header and Footer. Once you find it, simply click its toggle switch. This action will instantly remove both the header and footer from your site's design, creating a clean and minimalist layout. Now that you've made the changes, head back to your home page to check out the updated look. You should see that your site is now free of the default header and footer, leaving you with a simple and clean starting point for your design. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully removed the header and footer from the Hello Elementor theme. This gives you complete creative control to design your site exactly the way you envision it. Whether you're creating a custom layout, a landing page, or a full-width design, you now have a clean, distraction-free canvas to work with. Thanks for watching.